my channel, Michaela Space. I'll be wearing the same clothes in every video. I'm just realizing I had this on. Did I have this shirt on? I don't know. But in today's video, I'm gonna be giving y'all like a detailed tutorial on how I do like box braids on my own hair without adding hair. This is about to be my go-to protective style if I'm trying to leave it in for a long time. Twists, they get frizzy too fast, and like braids without the way I do it, like the beads at the end, it just looks like, I don't want to say anything offensive, it just doesn't look good. I'm gonna show y'all how I do the braids, put the beads on, and yeah, I'm gonna try bigger braids this time because I don't feel like doing 36 braids on my head. So I'm probably gonna do, I don't know, we'll see. They're gonna be bigger. If y'all are interested, keep watching. So my hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned. Yeah, I'm leaving this in for about 2 weeks. Yeah, I want to make sure I'm doing a moisture intensive routine with my hair because I'm gonna be in cold weather in Chicago. Yeah, and I ain't doing no wash and goes out there, heck you know. So what you're gonna need is a comb, like a rat tail comb, styling cream of choice, oil of choice, water bottle on deck, and baby rubber bands. So y'all know I like to section my hair into 4, and I'm actually gonna try to do straight parts this time because last time it was really embarrassing watching the footage back and my parts were looking crazy. I don't like part of my hair because it hurts, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get the look. So I'm just gonna part into 4 quadrants. So now I'm going to detangle this section. And then I'm just going to part. Like I said, these parts are not perfect, and I'm not trying to make them perfect. I'm just trying to not make it look as crazy as last time. And you want to make sure they're pretty even, so I'm doing 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, so 18. Yeah, no, 24. I promise y'all I'm smart, I'm an engineer. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, I need a beater too. $1 at the beauty supply store. This is completely detangled, so now I'm just gonna add some of this curl enhancing smoothie. This isn't a leave-in, but it is moisturizing and it's a styling cream. So I'm just gonna do a 2-in-1 type product. You can be as generous as you want to be. I'm gonna be pretty generous with it because like I said, it's gonna be in for 2 weeks. So now I'm just going to braid tightly. If y'all don't know how to braid, section your hair into 3. I like to go like that through the hair sometimes just to make sure it's even. Then I'm just going to tightly braid. I don't put gel at the top because I don't like that product buildup, especially with something heavy like a gel. So I'm just going to braid tight. You you're pretty much going under. Some people go over, but you're just taking each piece and going under. I don't know if y'all can see. And then braiding all the way down. So if you feel like one of the pieces are starting to get a little bit too thin, you just take some hair from the other piece and add it into that piece that's too thin, and you just keep going. You want to braid all the way down to the end. I know it may get tiring, but you want to go all the way down to the end to put the bead on. Okay, I put the bead on right away. I don't do all my hair. So you just want to take a bead. These are kind of ugly, but whatever. You want to take a bead and slide it on like this. I'm going to do multiple so I don't have to keep putting it on one by one. Okay, then you want to take your hair and put it under like this. Then all you want to do is push it up, push the bead up, and voila, the bead is on. Then you take the hair and you wrap it up like that, and you just tie it with the rubber band. Like I said, this bead is kind of ugly, so I didn't feel like putting the baby beads on again. So I'm gonna put in the big one, and you just do the rest of your hair. Okay, you guys, so that's it. Like I said, the beads make the look. You can do this on short hair too. If I had short hair, I would do this style. I'm not gonna do just straight braids without the beads. Like I said for the 500th time, but yeah, it's pretty simple. It just takes a lot of time. It's very time consuming, but these last a pretty long time. If you have some styling foam, this will help to like put over to lay down all the straight hairs. But yeah, I think I like the bigger braids better. It didn't take as long and it looks more full than last time. But thank y'all for watching. Again, if y'all enjoyed the video, please comment down below anything else you would like to see from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification bell. 12 days of Vlogmas. It's almost up. I've been enjoying myself. Yeah, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.